Please position the device logo horizontally, facing the detection area directly, and adjust the angle to ensure coverage for both sitting and standing heights. Wall mounting method might lead to blind spots in your space. To avoid this case, it is recommended to install the device in a corner, facing the center line of the corner. This effectively prevents radar FOV blind spots on both sides during long-range detection. During installation, avoid positioning the device directly facing large metal surfaces, glass, or other highly reflective materials, as well as areas with airflow such as air vents, air purifiers, fans, or curtains. Placement in high-interference environments may affect the accuracy of the millimeter wave radar. On the app, mark unwanted detection areas as edge to effectively minimize false alarms. Mark entry/exit points within zones to enable faster detection of presence and absence statuses, reducing both false alarms and missed detections. Label interference sources within zones, e.g. fans, motorized curtains, to effectively prevent false presence triggers caused by such devices. After installation, ensure the detection zone remains unoccupied and perform an AI learning to help the device learn the environment's profile for more accurate detection results. Higher presence detection sensitivity increases the likelihood of triggering and maintaining a presence state. Use high sensitivity for areas with minimal body movement, such as beds or sofas. After completing FP2 installation and calibration, conduct real-world testing to verify detection performance before final deployment. If inaccuracies occur, troubleshoot by either eliminating environmental interference or relocating the device to an optimal position. Only proceed with full operation after achieving ideal detection results.
Aqara, continuous connection.